Hey guys, come back with Java for Beginner Part 5. Again guys, this is my subscribe channel Future IT Vision. Feel free to subscribe if you like, and if you have any question, feel free to ask the comment section your question. I will be answer it. And this video I'll be show you guys how to use integer primitive data type. Before also I show one of the video also have for variable purpose how to use the variable, why the variable is using Java. But for now I'm going to show you what is the primitive data type integer, what kind of condition we have. Let's see. The last video I show you here guys how to sort data type use. So for now, today I'm going to use copy this one for create a class, Java class, int data type. Okay, and class is done. I'm just copy paste because I want to save save this. What is the integer? Good question. Integer hold the number, guys. This can be a number. There's a condition have when integer use, when sort is not too large enough to hold the number. Okay, there is a sort have condition. Last class I told you. Example, there is a have -32768 to this now. So if not fit is bigger than that, what will we use? What is the solution in Java? We can use the integer. That is the solution. So now, what is the range of the number in the integer? Let's write down here. Integer range. Number range. So it has to be -2147 48 3648. So -2147 48 3648. This is the number. Again, -2147 48 3648. The start number beginning from here is minus bigger than that. The integer cannot hold this number. For that we have another convention. So I will go to the next video to show you what is this. So now from to that, again 648, not minus 47. The integer number range has to be between this. So let's call integer number equal 100. Am I right? Now and I can print the number. I want to this number print. So let's see. So the printing number 100. That means this 100 number fit between these two number. Am I right? So any this criteria fitting, of course, is gonna print out. And remember, this is the integer number. If you want here, like example, here the test. Forget about that. I hold you this for purpose of the prove that okay, this is not a integer type, the variable the test, which is not an integer type. So guys, I told you integer only hold the number. Like example sort, I told you before also sort byte also hold the number. So you go to 100. So now we want to make sure that whatever Java said or whatever out there, then prove that whatever Java says is that true or not. Is this between hold this number? So I'm gonna I'm gonna copy this one So now I'm going to run this. Of course, it's going to print out because this is meeting the Java convention. Am I right? If I over here put the 9, run this, same way, Java integer number too large. Say this is, you put the integer number over here, and this number, this integer, which is number is the variable, and variable value is this, and this value is not matching in this criteria. Is that matching? No. I said minus from this number to plus this number, between this number it has to be, until this number it has to be out of this range. Boom, Java gonna say this is not integer. So for that reason, if I go back, if I say for 5 less than this number, is that fit in this convention? Sorry, I ran the wrong one. Boom, it's running this number. That means we meet our convention. Again, if I go over here, you have 48 and minus. Does we meet the Java convention for int? Yes, we meet the Java convention for it. If I have over here 9, because it's bigger than large is 9. Let's see. If I run, there you go, guys. Again, integer number too large, too larger than the minus portion. So that's the way. So now we know. Now we know what integer does, and also how previous video I show how to sort and byte does. So next video I'll be showing you long. So just wait for that, and feel free to comment in comment section. Do you have any question, or just if you don't have subscribe still at my my video, my channel, please subscribe it, and please, feel free to comment or encourage me, keep up to date with you guys. Thank you so much.